Procedure of collecting evidence. Put the evidence in the plastic pile or pill box. Record the content, fasten the container and mark with your initial and date and exhibit number. Collect a comparison standard, search the refrigerator or cupboard for similar materials, which are marked. Avoid removing the sample from their origin container. Put them in sterile, clean container and refrigerate to inhibit the growth of bacteria. Similarly, comparison standards for drugs are collected following the same procedure. Do not mix specimens in a single bag if they are found close to each other or even if they are similar in appearance.